find the fact that we are not doing so that
Minista mwamure gutongoria minista ya githomo prof George Magoha augitire na mwihoko munene ati mbunge yake bururi-ini kuhetukia ritwa riake ni gutongoria ruhonge rwa githomo guku bururi-ini. Magoha augite wona aiyukia mahinya ma gutongoria ministry ino ya githomo ni gutigirira mutaratara mweru wa githomo uri ukoretwo gumirwo ni mathina maingi ni wakinyanirio igana kwa igana.
Whether I become cabinet secretary or not, NEC has a role to play in this curriculum. And NEC is already working on that curriculum. But if by the grace of God I go to the other side, it will come without prejudice. It means you will see me, because for me I will not be relying on reports. That's the way I was trained at Starehe Voice Center.
Magoha ginyagia kwa murogo wake arari muikariri giti wa kanjo igeranio guku bururi-ini augite ihinda-ini ikinyuria bururi kuhimbiria mutaratara mweru wa githomo niguo kuhotithia arutwo kugeragio na iheo ndumwe na uhoti wa uthengia wa mathomo.
It's important for the new curriculum to identify that talent as early as possible.
Ihinda-ini riu mutongoria wa bururi-ini augite thirikari yake ni ihotorete gutigirira mutaratara mweru no akinyanira mathukuru-ini mothe niguo kuhotithia arutwo kugeragio kuringana na uhoti wao. Akiri hindi ya kuhena iheo kuri arutwo aria mekite wega thukuru-ini wa Mang'u, Uhuru ni augire mutaratara ni ugutithiriria gukurana taranda na iheo ngurani iria arutwo matiganite mari nacio iria ingitethiriria gutwarithia bururi na mbere.
One of the very most important parts of that modernization is the new competency-based curriculum, on the basis of which we expect our children to be grounded better academically, morally, as well as socially. The curriculum emphasizes a learner's ability to process issues as well as their passions and talents.
Wahinda iraya mutaratara uyu ukoretwo gumirwo ni mihinga ngurani no riu kamwene niko theri kahota kuonekana wona Magoha ahitukio gutuika minista mweru wa githomo. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngugi wa Gatua.